So, you've got this awesome home server, right? You're running all sorts of cool stuff, and you've thought, man, I'd love to access this from anywhere in the world. But then that other thought creeps in, the one about exposing your home network to the internet. Yeah, that's a little scary. Well, today, we're going to look at a method that is not only incredibly secure, but also shockingly simple. Let's dive in. You know the feeling. You've got your media server, maybe a NAS for your files, a whole virtual lab humming away. The dream is to tap into all that from your phone or laptop, wherever you happen to be. But that dream usually comes with a big, flashing red light, doesn't it? Security. And that's really the central question. Do you really want to just open up your private network to the public internet? For most of us, that's a hard no. But what if there was a way to get all the benefits of remote access without any of the traditional security headaches? And that, right there, is the magic trick. We are talking about doing all of this without punching a single hole in your firewall. I'm serious. No port forwarding, no complicated reverse proxies like Nginx that make you open up ports 80 and 443. We're going to keep that digital front door locked and bolted shut. So how do we pull this off? Well, the solution is it's elegant. Instead of letting the internet knock on your door, we're going to create a secret, secure tunnel out to the internet. This complete reversal of how things normally work is the key to the entire thing. Let me show you.
The magic here is something called Cloudflare Tunnel. Basically, a tiny piece of software runs on your server at home, and it makes an encrypted connection outbound to Cloudflare's massive global network. And because the connection starts from inside your house, your firewall just lets it go. It's just like you making a phone call. You don't have to rewire your house for someone on the other end to hear you.
And this is a huge leap forward. The old way, port forwarding, is literally like putting a giant neon sign on the internet with your home's IP address on it, saying, hey, server over here, come check it out. The new way, with Cloudflare Tunnel, it completely hides your IP. It's gone. All traffic has to go through Cloudflare first, and they act like a bodyguard for your network, keeping your home totally anonymous and secure. And it gets even better. You know those awful ISPs that put you behind something called CGNAT, making remote access basically impossible? Yeah, this just blows right past that problem. It also, and this is incredible, automatically gives you valid, trusted SSL certificates for every single service. No more fiddling with Let's Encrypt. And maybe the best part of all, the core service is 100% free.
All right, so you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but it must be a nightmare to set up, right? Wrong. Let's talk about what it takes to get this professional level setup running at your place. You're going to be shocked at how simple it is.
You really only need two things. First, a domain name. This is your personal address on the web, and it costs about $12 a year. Second, you need a server. And this can be almost anything, a Raspberry Pi, an old desktop, a dedicated machine, running pretty much any operating system you want. And this quote just nails why so many of us build these home labs. It's not just a hobby, right? It's a training ground. It's a place to learn real-world enterprise skills. So if you're going to build one, why not build it with the tools the pros are actually using? And when you talk about professional tools, running an enterprise-grade OS like Red Hat Enterprise Linux or RHEL is such a smart move. It's what the big companies use, so the skills are directly transferable to your resume. Plus, their developer program makes it completely free for individuals on up to 16 servers. It's the perfect, rock-solid foundation for a secure setup like this. Okay, let's get into the setup. This is the part that seems like it should be hard, but it's not. It really just boils down to three main steps.
All right, here we go. Step 1, you point your domain to Cloudflare. This is a simple settings change where you bought your domain. Step 2, you launch the tunnel. Cloudflare gives you a single line of code, often a Docker command, that you just run in your server's terminal. That's it. The secure connection is live. And finally, step 3, you route your traffic. In the Cloudflare dashboard, you just say, hey, when someone goes to proxmox.yourdomain.com, I want you to point them to my internal IP address and port. And you're done, for real.
And just like that, with a few clicks and one command, your internal home services are now securely available to you anywhere in the world. Let's take a look at what that means in practice. So here's what it looks like in the end. Your Proxmox server gets a clean, professional URL. Your network storage gets its own address. You can even host a website on a tiny Raspberry Pi and have it be securely accessible from anywhere. Each service is neatly organized, fully encrypted, and just ready to use. So the final payoff is just
It's simple. You get all the good stuff about public access with none of the headaches. You get automatic SSL, your home IP is completely private, and your firewall stays locked down. Even tricky things like web-based console access, which often fail with other methods, work perfectly. It's a rare piece of tech that just works.
Now, this is way more than just a cool trick for us home lab enthusiasts. This really represents a fundamental shift in how we approach self-hosting and managing our own little corners of the internet.
For years and years, self-hosting was this complicated, risky thing, It was reserved for people who were willing to wrestle with network configs and security risks. But tools like this are democratizing the whole thing. They're making it safe and accessible for anyone to run their own corner of the internet from their own home.
So, is this the end of complicated self-hosting? I mean, as tools that just erase the complexity and the insecurity become this common, the old days of difficult, risky setups might really be over. It definitely feels like a brand new, much simpler chapter has just begun.